guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I wanted to shoot this intro from the beginning, but तब से background noises आ रहे थे, so I got ready. Finally, it got stopped. Seriously, I was so frustrated because of that. Guys, finally the background noise is gone. तब से इतना ज़्यादा voice आ रहा था, I couldn't even record. I was getting frustrated because of that voice. So we're gonna put my sunscreen. I always forget to put eyeliner first before curling my eyelashes, but now I remember. So just look at my eyeliner. ये वाला इतना अच्छा है. This is so nice, but ऐसा हो गया. Now I have to remove this and put. I can't get my both eyeliner at the same root. I have to clean this now. इस बार अच्छे से आ जाएगी. It's better now. I really need to learn how to put eyeliner. Just look at the difference. Putting mascara is my favorite part. Guys, I have a confusion. Is it waterproof or not? This is from Faces Canada. But ये smudge हो जाता है. I don't recommend this one. This is my sister lipstick. Basically, I bought this for her. But uska still I'm gonna use it because I love the shade. I do look like an auntie now, but just trust the process. Now I'm gonna smudge it inside. Just look. I think ये मेरे को ombre effect देता है, which I really love. It matches with my outfit. We are going for cave hopping. It is Elato.
I've literally googled the pronunciation and it says it's something around like English and Italian. And it is Affogato or something. I still don't know whether it's right or wrong, but it's something around Affogato. And we are going to cave Elato. Yeah, Elato.
I really wanted to go there from a long time. उनका coffee मुझे कुछ अच्छा लगा था. Instagram feed में आ गया था मेरे. I really wanted to go and she did all the research. I'm gonna blindly follow her.
We don't even know taste कैसा है, guys. It's just Instagram feed worth it है.
So we are going. This is what I'm wearing, guys. This top is from Westside. I got it for sale under $7.99. और ये jeans I got it from Pantaloons. I love Pantaloon jeans. उनकी quality बहुत अच्छी आती है. And I'm also wearing this bracelet I got from Westside. बहुत trend कर रहा था थोड़े दिन पहले. So let's go. हमारी स्कूटी फाइनली चल रही है आगे. लास्ट टाइम से नीचे aesthetically बना रहा है. Legit, they are making it so aesthetically. And my sister is there, still shooting. She's very curious about it. And no one is here. It's worth coming. It's next to Koiko. The view is so amazing. Legit, the view is also good. It's not good, guys. I think I just need to mix this up and taste it again. I didn't like it. Not recommended. My hair is so messy. I'm in search of wallets, guys. And people are staring at me. Just look. Shopping paglu wali bahan. Har jagah she's just seeing what to buy. Price boxes. I really wanted to unbox one of it. She's everywhere. Oh my god.
Come on, Babi, let's do it.
Shin camera. What is that?
Stapler.
She never bought me this. She promised me that she'll buy me.
Yeah.
Buy me now.
Shut up.
How much is it?
$5.50. Now
it's less.
It's less. Let's go to McDonald's. McDonald's hold on. Is this French fries?
Yeah, French fries.
So cute.
Guys, हम हमारा पोपट हो रखा है. हमने लाइक फोटो वो किया था. इट वॉज आवर फर्स्ट टाइम एक्सपीरियंस एंड वो स्ट्रिप्स आए नहीं है. एंड उधर के वर्कर वो सेइंग कि जो उसका इंचार्ज था, वेंट ऑन लंच, सो वी हैव टू वेट फॉर हिम. माय गॉड, पोपट हो गया हमारा. पैसे खर्च हो गए, फोटोज़ खिंचवा लिए और भी ऊपर से हमने 4 स्ट्रिप्स गलती से करते थे बिकॉज आई डिडंट नो व्हाट टू डू. इट वाज माय फर्स्ट टाइम. Clearly we messed up. Now we have to wait for that person to get our ugliest pictures, I guess. But it was fun. बहुत जल्दी हो गया था, but it was fun. Fun when you come with your elder sibling. They'll only do every work. Sit and relax and eat. That's it. कुछ भी खा लो पी लो, but Frankie is love. Legit वाला. We finally got them, guys. They turned out super pretty. But we have 4 strips.
Yeah.
But they're so good. I'm so happy we finally got our photos done. I'm shooting like this because ऐसे quality अच्छी नहीं आ रही. This is so pretty. But एक ही problem है, we have 4 strips.